The Machenike K500, specifically the K500-B94 model, presents itself as a compelling option for users seeking a robust input device. As a wired mechanical gaming keyboard, it immediately signals its intent to deliver a responsive and durable typing experience across various computing environments. At its core, the K500-B94 leverages mechanical switches, contributing to a tactile and responsive feel that is often preferred by enthusiasts and gamers. The wired connection ensures consistent, uninterrupted performance, a critical factor for precision-dependent tasks. A standout feature is its hot-swappable capability, allowing users to easily change out switches without soldering, providing significant flexibility for customization and maintenance. The integrated RGB backlighting not only enhances the aesthetic appeal but also aids visibility in various lighting conditions, offering a dynamic visual element. The design ethos clearly caters to the gaming community, where the precision and reliability of a mechanical keyboard are paramount. Beyond gaming, its robust construction and responsive keys make it equally suitable for intensive typing tasks, such as coding, writing, or data entry. The 90% layout, with its 94 keys, strikes a balance between a compact footprint and comprehensive functionality, making it a versatile choice for both desktop setups and users who frequently connect to laptops. The 90% layout is a considered design choice, offering a space-efficient profile without sacrificing essential keys, which is particularly beneficial for smaller desks or portable setups. The hot-swappable switches contribute significantly to its long-term usability and reliability, allowing for easy replacement of individual switches should they wear out or if a user desires a different typing feel. The wired connection, while not offering wireless freedom, guarantees a stable and lag-free experience, reinforcing its reliability for critical applications. Furthermore, the RGB backlighting is not just for show, it enhances key visibility and can be customized to suit personal preferences or match a workspace aesthetic. In summary, the Machenike K500-B94 positions itself as a well-rounded mechanical keyboard designed for performance and adaptability. Its wired connection, hot-swappable switches, and compact yet functional 90% layout, complemented by vibrant RGB backlighting, offer a compelling package for both dedicated gamers and general productivity users seeking a reliable and customizable input solution for their PC or laptop.